Every day, in every classroom, data is generated. And this ever-accumulating data can be too much for an individual teacher to analyze without help. PowerSchool is committed to bringing this data together and allowing it to inform your staff as they strive to help each child succeed. PowerSchool Unified Insights Student gives you complete visibility into student performance, bringing together your disparate data into one convenient view. Pre-made dashboards built with Microsoft Power BI help you visualize trends in classroom data, such as grades, attendance, and discipline, as well as school or district-wide trends in student enrollment. And strategic filtering provides valuable insights into specific groups within your organization. You can also make your own ad hoc reports with Microsoft Power BI. Give staff a clearer understanding of their students' performance with easy-to-see trends in student data and help them make better decisions that can directly impact students. PowerSchool Unified Insights Student, making sense of your student data to improve student outcomes. From the front office to the classroom to the home, PowerSchool's unified technology breaks down barriers to put everyone on the same team. PowerSchool, powering brighter futures.